Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 420D M Sport 2-door coupe. The vehicle is presented in the mineral grey, comes with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit alongside the BMW M Sport Plus package. Sitting just behind the 19-inch 442M BMW alloys that we've just had professionally refurbished, you'll see the beginning of that wonderful M Sport Plus package in the shape of the M Sport Plus brakes. It does also come with the Angel Light and Xenon headlamps at the front, and also the wonderful gloss front splitter and matching kidney grills. Down the side of the car we've also got the BMW gloss black air breathers, our gloss back sidebars, satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. Again, another feature of the Plus package is of course the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Inside the car there is a full red Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options, all of which has been kept in superb condition on this vehicle. It has got a 6-speed manual, which is definitely one of the most joyous manual gearboxes currently still available on the market. Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. In the rear there is an Isofix ready rear bench with a central storage tray and armrest, and the darkened M Sport headline, and of course round at the back of the car, and again we're going to show you off these wonderful 19-inch alloys, and in this colour combination they really do work exceedingly well with the mineral grey. At the back we've gone for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser, and if you've not yet had a chance to see the boot space for a 4 Series 2-door coupe, it will surprise you first of all, as that is a very big boot space. It does also come with split folding seats as well, which is going to of course give you further options, bigger items. Around at the other side of the car, again you can see how well that mineral grey works with all of the additions we've made, alongside being a clean and tidy vehicle. Inside we've got a few other nice features to go through, so that's where we'll go now, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. As you can see there, I've currently just got the DAB list open. There is also a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including Bluetooth audio, AUX and USB. In terms of having the sat-nav, of course having that bigger screen is a big benefit. It's a really easy system to use, one that anybody can jump into and get on with straight away, I'm sure. Bluetooth telephone as well, and in a second we'll check out the service requirements screen. Down here is the dual climate controls, and also where you'll find the switches for the front heated seats. The car itself's covered just over 63,000 miles. Comes with cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. Heading over now to the vehicle information screen. As you can see, the next service isn't due for 12,000 miles time. Up at service history, there you can see from the first service all the way up to the most recent at 56446, where it had a engine oil, microfilter and vehicle inspection service. At BMW, the car has got full comprehensive BMW history. So thank you all for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do of course hope you found it useful. If you would like some more information on the car, or simply just like to find out the prices and funding options that are available, follow the links that are in the description, head on over to the website, and from there you can view all of those things. Thank you all so much. Do of course take care. She'll hopefully see you all soon. Take care. Bye bye.